Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to download your backed up pictures from Google Photos into your phone's gallery, so you can access them offline. First, open the Google Photos app on your Android device. Browse to the photo or video you want locally. Tap on it to open full view. Then tap the three-dot menu or swipe up and choose Download. This will save the file back to your device storage. Once downloaded, the image will typically appear in your gallery app under a folder named Restored or Downloads. If you want to move multiple photos at once, you can open photos.google.com in a browser, select several images, hit the three-dot menu, and tap Download. This gives you a zip file. Extract it using a file manager app and move the photos to your gallery. And that's how to download backed up pictures from Google Photos into your phone's gallery. Thanks for watching.